So for today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your accounts rating. Hi, Blissful Aries here. If you want to learn how to make money online quick and easy, subscribe and hit the notification bell because I share with you all the tips, tricks and strategies I use to grow my full-time e-commerce business at home. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another eBay business tutorial. If you have not watched the previous video on how I set up eBay sellers accounts and how to increase the sellers limit, please go above or below for the video link. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your accounts rating, because this rating will boost your buyers' confidence. The ratings that you see on the seller store, so for example this one, Jenny Sun 2010, this seller have lots of good ratings. So when a buyer comes to searching for items and they wish to buy from a reliable seller, they will come here to see the rating. But I know you are just a beginner, your rating is 0, you have 0 ratings. So what you should do, here is the eBay secret. Number 1, you can get this type of ratings easily, but with a little bit of money involved. So I'm going to teach you how you can do this. First, you go to some bids, some biddings, and so once, for example, you are looking for bids. Bids are really very cheap. This is where I started. I always look for this type of bids to buy, to get my very first few good ratings. So for example, choose the auction tab, and you can see here that this bid is only 1 cent and there's nobody bidding it. So the best thing is, now what you can do is you click on it and you start to place a bid of probably 5 cents. So you bid for this and you press confirm. Okay, so you go ahead and find lots of these bids to be placed, and as a start, it's best for you to get at least 20 to 30 good ratings. The ratings will be always given by the seller. So once you have received your item, if they have not given you any feedbacks or rating, you can always contact them and ask them to do so. So this is a very, very good eBay secret that you can start off with your good ratings on your eBay store. So example now, right now is 0, right? So at least if you have like 20 to 30, it's good enough. That's where I started. So once I've hit my 20 good ratings, I start to have my very first few sales. So yeah, so what you should do now is you keep on looking things to bid. So even if you have you can also find those like ebooks that really you can bid. Sometimes the bidding you need to bid many times because there are a lot of bidders out there, yeah, that competes with you. So you just keep on bidding and eventually you will have a lot of successful bids, and the sellers is going to give you good ratings. Another fast way to have successful bids is to sort your search by this ending soonest. Like the bid is going to end soon, right? So whatever you bid is going to be, most likely will be successful. Okay, for example, this one is 28 seconds left, so the bidding is 26 cents. So probably You can try at a 35 cents and you press confirm, and most of the time you will get a successful bid. Yes. So once you have purchased all these items and the seller have shipped them, you can actually start to give the seller good ratings. This seller will also give you back ratings. So this one will speed up the process. You do not need to wait for you to receive the item, then only you give the seller's feedback. So once you give them the feedback, and the seller will actually more than happy return back a good feedback to you. So you can say very simple things like excellent seller, great communication. So these are some of the example of the ratings that you can give the seller. So in summary, in order for you to up your seller's rating, you need to purchase something. So this is just a little bit of money for you to get started so that the buyers trust you. And these ratings are not just a seller rating, it's also a buyer's rating. But a lot of buyers out there, they do not know that this rating also includes buying rating. So that is why I'm teaching you this trick to kind of like tricking customer to see your eBay store actually have good ratings. I hope you find this secret helpful. Do let me know in the comments below if you have started to get good ratings, and I will see you on my next video. Please stay tuned on my next one because I'm going to teach you how to find sellable things to sell on eBay. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.